Welcome to my very first unboxing video. What we're going to be unveiling today is the Akasa Turing A50 case. And the Akasa Turing A50 case is for the PN50 mini PC. That's what I'm actually recording this video on right now. PN50 is uses the Ryzen 4000 series of processor chip, and it's a very powerful machine, but unfortunately it's also very noisy. I don't know if the microphone is picking up the sound right now of the fan, but I can hear it quite well right now. And so without any further delay, why don't we go ahead and open up the Akasa Turing A50 case. The A50 case is fanless, and it basically acts like a gigantic heat sink. It's made of milled out of a block of aluminum. And okay, I got this from a place in Germany, cartft.com. I will put a link to that supplier in the description below. And it seems to have plenty of good cardboard padding. And lots of bubble wrap, which is good. Okay. And here it is. Oh, let's take a look at these in a minute. Okay. All right, this also very well protected. It's very heavy. Probably weighs 4.5 pounds. And as you can see there, try to get it lined up, those are the cooling fins. There are some cooling fins on both the top and the bottom. On the bottom here, this is removable. Here's where the various USB ports, power port, where those line up with the board. There's a power button. Nice feel to it. And the case, when you're finished with it, can be oriented like this or also vertically. So I'll figure out how I want to do that a little bit later. And what we have is a user manual. This user manual looks like it has fairly detailed instructions. What it does not appear to do is tell you how to take apart your current PN50 in order to put the parts inside the Turing A50 case. So maybe I can create a video showing how to do that. Here are two end panels, or top and bottom panels, I suppose, depending on how you orient it. And there is a connector, a strip connector. Not sure the purpose for that right now. And a whole bunch of parts. Okay, so it does come with some heat paste and a connector of some sort. Not really familiar with that. And various screws and nuts, and also what appear to be the feet for the case. A clear plastic piece. Need to figure out what that's for. A couple of brackets, probably for the solder drive. A heat sink, and so this looks like it goes on perhaps one of the drives and connects to the case itself to draw the heat away. Some more screws, and that appears to be the entire contents of the package. What we have, again, show this again, the Akasa Turing A50 fanless case for the ASUS PN50 mini PC. Like I said, I can create a video on tearing apart the PN50 and putting the parts in the A50 case. And if you want to be notified of that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when that new video comes out. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, thank you very much, and we'll see you again when we assemble this PN50 inside the A50 next time. Thank you.